Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at PlayStation 5 DualSense wireless controller. What I have here is the cosmic red color. Let me show you the box first, then I'll open it, show you how it looks and also what comes inside. Here we go with the front DualSense wireless controller for PS5. And here is the side. And here we go with the back, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone signature comfort, and here is the last side. Now let's open it and let me show you how it looks. Alright, here we go, finally got it open. And here we go with the controller. Let's see what else comes inside the box. So nothing else except this little paperwork. DualSense wireless controller. Really big pamphlet. It does come with the quick start guide or something like that inside this little booklet. I'm not going to read that. Alright, so here we go with the controller. This is, as I mentioned, cosmic red. It's not traditional red, so it definitely looks unique. There's nothing that I can say looks like that color, so I definitely love the color. And here we go with the buttons, very soft. I love the feel of this button, same with the triggers. Really good quality controller. You have pretty much all the buttons you're ever gonna need. Power button, and then on the bottom you have input for 3.5mm headphone jack if you want to use the headset. And here on the back we have USB-C for charging. Sadly it doesn't come with the cable, but you can use the one that came with your PS5, or you can just charge it with your phone charger. It works that way as well. Overall, a very good quality controller. I also love the color. I'm definitely happy I went with this color, and I would definitely recommend this. Thank you guys for watching.